Nisithi ndifuna lose weight kodwa ndiyabona ingathi ayizusebenza lento. Leyo lose weight umuntu weight ayiluza ngapha kwencwaba ngoku ayikho ichance. Ngapha ziPirates ziyawina, ngapha imigidi sityinyama, ngapha ibafana nayo yenza kakhulu. Hayi sayibona ngapha kwencwaba into zoluzi weight. Yo. Hello sisi. Oh, you speak English. Is that the office of AFCON? Oh, all right. You will speak to Tumelo Trom, the president of football supporters every Africa jikelele, Africa yonke. Yo. Me say, why is not take the trophy and give it to Bafana? Because it's obvious, most good so you win le. So so kanjani English. You laugh, don't laugh. Trophy. Shapa Bafana, shapa. We are very excitement. Bafana is doing extra large.
My heart. Yes. Bobo Bulega. Perfect start. 3 points in the bag. That's it. That's what we needed. It makes the second game easier. Okay, not easier, but it takes pressure off the second game. The boys can go out there and enjoy. Oh, but I'm sweating. Each time they got a corner, I felt like I was in the box defending as well. I was calling people here, mark here. I was having it out. That's exactly what we needed. I actually don't know what to say. I'm stressed. I'm sweating. I need to go pour sugar water. Sugar water so my high can come a bit down. Guys, we just made Angola twerk. We got Angola to twerk. We let them have one goal to get excited. Can't you know? Foster is coming. Foster, I forgive you. For the lapse of concentration earlier, I forgive you. Hugo Bruce, man, you are just something else, coach. Coach, you are just something else. Foster was doing silly things the whole game, but you just left him on. I was like, take him off for one assist. But you, Hugo Bruce, was like, no, I've got this under control. Leave him. You'll see what Foster will do. And Foster delivered. Yo, guys, I'm so happy. I'm relieved. It was a hard game because Angola went there to defend. Once we scored a goal, that's when they only attacked. And I think once we scored a goal, we kind of relaxed. Nyana. We took it easy. Nyana. We shouldn't have. But I'll take that. A win's a win. We did it 3 points in the bag.
Oh, we were so close. We were so close to greatness. We were so close to South Africa time. Nah, man, nah. I know the script, bro. South Africa's gonna play us. They're gonna play Morocco. Why is he so good, bro? Why is Williams so good? bro? Oh, why is he so good? Chill out, bro. Stop it, bro. Please, relax, bro. Stop it. This is not you, bro. Stop it, bro. Hey, even him, bro. He bent it like Beckham, bro. You see that goal, bro? The finesse, bro. Why South Africa, relax. South Africa, bro. Relax. Lose, get grouped. Lose in the group stage, bro. We don't want to play you in the knockouts, bro. Lose in the group stage, please, bro. Please, bro. Come on, man. I don't want to play you, bro. Please, just start losing, bro. Start losing or something, bro. Come on, bro. We were so close.
Alright bafethu, abafana basemzansi sebavele bavulela induku lapha eMorocco. Bubulawa nje iAngola ngenduku. Rightfully so. Bekufanele bashawe labantu bengekho enye indlela. Right? Great game by the boys. I really believe that they had a good game. there are moments whereby the game could have been better. I mean, kuma set piece labantu labe bazosibulala ngama set piece because bade, and our defense is not that tall. I mean, ungezane kuphela umude lapha, the rest umbekezeli mfisha, umudiba mfisha, so vele with the aerial balls they would dominate us. But every time Bafana would play carpet football, imega into emnandi, moving the ball quick in between the lines, that's when Angola ibihluleka ukuzivimba. Salute to Utepang Moremi. When he came in, he changed the game. Because Unkota ubengeko Rice namhlanje was not on form. Sipho Mbule also could have had a better game. It was not a bad game, but it could have been better. Could have controlled the midfield more. Could have sprayed those passes more. Njengoba sazi ukuthi akwazi ukwenza lokho, right? But otherwise, a solid performance. Into ebalulekile nje it's the win. Start with 3 points isiphume kanje, going into the Egypt game with a win, coming back from a win. Into ebalulekile so that singaloku slowly win against Egypt. Laphana mele siyasine confident, and the boys did very well.
Hayi bafethu sekunjalo sibuye no 3 points. Opening match 3 point. Bafethu what a game. Kona bafethu engiqamba manga igame ibinzima. Ibinzima igame adlalanga lendlela athi ngilinde ukuthi sidlale ngayo. eAngola ibi serious opponent. eAngola ibi serious opponent. Hayi ukuthi besibheda cha. I-opponent yethu ibi serious, ibinso ebonje, ibinso be blind. Yabona nje wona first half khona la kona ade baba ade sithwele kanzima first half. Isingene eAngola ngize ngathi hayibo. Kodwa ke our best player currently la South Africa Osuna Police akwazi ukusibeka phambili 1-0. Salida bafethu, salida kahle. Asho ukuthi ke labafethu ama set piece hayi ngathi bawaqabele. Bayishaya la set piece langena igoli. Ayeva kwalapho ke ayasingena bafethu eAngola. Yasingena eAngola bese ngithukile. Sa half time ngathi masibeka half time sabuya sesirelaxile sakwazi ukudlala ukucontrol igame ngendlela ade kumele vele sicontrol ngayo. First half indlela engiyazi indlela bafana ethanda. Bafana bethi yathanda ucontrol igame. Yabo? So lento yathi idlalisa yona eAngola Angola ibize ngenye into. Bingeze ngenye. Yabona mfethu uFoster bengisengilindile ukuthi ngizomuthuka uthe eqeda kushalela goal la ngisho umoya ngathi okay. Umjitha igame ibingamvumi first half kodwa na yabona second half udlalile Foster bafethu second half wenze into encomekayo second half mfethu yabo igoli lakhe bafethu lihlelela goal angeke ngisile content enale edlala izolo kodwa lihlelela goal outside the box ikhele nje bafethu lihlelela goal on paper kuzovela ukuthi uLyle Foster une assist ela assist udlale ngithuba njengoba ngisho ukuthi i-first half ibingamvumi laphana bemele acishe ibhola ashaya igoli bezoshaya igoli laphana yamhlula ke control akusenani because apolice ukwazile ukora second half uyabona beseyifila ke enyaweni shama 10 eshama pass wena besephila first half second half I mean so uFoster bese bengizomjudge ukuthi ngempela bathi sigcine siphela ngedraw or shaw because amathuba adlale ngawo first half ayikhona kodwa bafethu uFoster udlalile igoli lakhe belilihle assist unayo phela on paper kodwa le assist bengamele asimele ube igoli lakhe kodwa bafethu uFoster udlalile ngifuna ukuemphasize lokho udlalile umjitha second half first half hayi fana first half bingamvumi kodwa overall South Africa ngihappy bafethu ngo3 points 3 points wena obubalekile wona athi udinga la because Egypt siyazi ukuthi Egypt ithanda ukubanjani so siyalapha sino 3 points next game ethi Egypt mangizwa noma Egypt noma Zimbabwe kodwa ngizwe ngathi Egypt makuthi Egypt ngempela sokwazi ufika sikhululeke sidlala igame yethu at least lapha noma singabuya ngo1 point kodwa angisho ukuthi settlation for i-draw ithi mina asihambe soshaya 3 points siye siyophuma le kodwa i-draw kwi-Algeria ngeke kube i-bad results leyo. Yabona umfana ka-Police mfethu ebafethu yabona umfana ka-Police ube weza kwi-Kaizer wena sana wona njengamanje currently sihleli number 1 3 points. Egypt neZimbabwe bazodlala njengamanje ufuna ukuyibuka leya game hopefully badlala i-draw angendaba so South Africa njengamanje safe phezulu asibone futhi next match
sina competition ku CAF sina competition why besinika lamazwe la a week ngoba ngabe sinikeze abo Senegal basinikeze abo Mali basinikeze abo yabo Ivory Coast uyebo yabona ngoba basinikeze sizihambela lula ngitheni izolo Angisho ngiba sizoyixaka. Angisho ngiba sizoyixaka iAngola oApolis. Angisho ukuthi oMorem bazongena bashintsha izinto. Angisho ngokuni ukuthi kuFoster akangayenzi into ebheke eceleni akakore. Angisho hey sisazowaxaka amazwe sisazowaxaka.
Well, that was certainly one of the best games so far. Well, it was the best game so far. There's only been 3 at the time of saying this. And South Africa have beaten Angola 2-1. If you're wondering why I rated them so highly, now you've got a stronger idea as to why. Because that game, defence and attack helped them out massively. Ronwen Williams, again, 2 or 3 huge saves in that first half that end up helping South Africa in the long run in that game. Angola pushed hard, especially at the end of the first half. Great goal from Show. If he meant that flick, that's an extraordinary goal. That's going to catch out any goalkeeper. But the second half, the half-time sub from Hugo Bruce to get Moremi on there, and he's got to start the next game, by the way. He scored that goal. Of course, they got narrowly disallowed because Foster was offside in the build-up. But what a finish from Foster. Moremi gives it to him this time. 2-1 win. Angola, that second half, they were much more not really of a threat, to be honest. Like, South Africa really dominated the second half in the game. And 2-1, that's a huge win. Because for me, this is the toughest group. And South Africa to get 3 points on the board. They've finally won an opening game, the first time since 2004. Good start for them. As for Angola,
Ayike bahlali, that's it for ivideo namhlanje. Anginesikhathi so angikhuluma kakhulu. But into engifuna ukusho nje ukuthi iLeague iyasijwayela. iLeague Sports, okay, you understand ukuthi contract iphelile sigqoke Adidas from now on. But fethu ijezi le AFCON ngiyaunderstand ukuthi mhlambe leli lisha, but fethu liyafana nejezi la season le AFCON, bro. It'll tweak it like a little tweak nyana like kube khona like umehluko nyana, because hayibo coming to the game I was like, why asina jersey thina? This is the same jersey we've been wearing. Isikhathi eside in a libi leli jersey mfethu libi. How nice so iLeague ngifethu asikakhulu ngeLeague, but young frustrated lento le young frustrated ukuthi thina sigqoka ijezi bese sigqoka last AFCON. It might not be the same jersey, but it's still the same jersey if ukuthi uyalibuka kahle when you realize it's still the same jersey, bro. I'm not hating ngalento le. And secondly, uNkotha, I'm not hating on Nkotha. Nkotha, bro, you need to improve kakhulu. Nanokuthi udlala eSaudi Arabia, mina ngazi ukuthi baya kanjani eSaudi Arabia. I would be honest, I don't know how you went to Saudi Arabia, because Tina, we're still crying for ukuthi improve. We're still praying ukuthi Nkotha must improve, then boom, off to Saudi. But you